Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, my dear students of grade 12? I hope you are fine. Today, inshallah, we are going to complete studying Unit 6, Lesson 7 and 8, Students Book, page 50 and 51. Students, let's start with Lesson 7, page 20. Now we are going to open our Students Book, page 20. Opener. Let's read the opener question. What should we do to save our planet? To save our planet, we should save our green areas, which help us to breathe. Governments should build natural reservoirs to save animals from extinction. We must use resources rationally, wisely to save our planet. Open your Students Book, page 50, and let's start. We are going to introduce our new vocabulary. Death, death, death. Death means a scarcity, lack of something and not enough. Also means shortage. Housing, housing, housing. Houses and apartments considered collectively. Burgeoning, burgeoning, burgeoning. Burgeoning means growing or expanding rapidly. Now, my dear students, try to repeat after me. Burgeoning, burgeoning. Consensus, consensus, consensus. Consensus means a general arrangement. Wetland, wetland, wetland. Land consisting of marshes or swamps, saturated land. Utilize, utilize, utilize. To use something in an effective way. Using all of your resources wisely is key of growth, which opens up success. Unfortunately, most don't realize this, and the door of opportunity stays closed. Knock on, knock on, knock on. Of a process in which everything that happens causes something else to happen. Of a process in which everything that happens causes something else to happen. Graduate, graduate, graduate. To successfully complete an academic degree, course of training. Vociferously, vociferously, vociferously. Enthusiastically, loudly. Now, my dear students, we move to our Students Book, page 50, Speaking Role Play, Introduction, the Situation. In exercise number 1, read this situation, Who should decide where to build the new homes? The population of our region is growing rapidly, and in a few years there will be a serious dearth of housing. There is an area very near your town where new homes could be built, but this area is wetland and is protected. It is the habitat of a rare type of bird. There are two other possible areas. 5 kilometers away from the town, 20 kilometers away from the town, a new town and new roads would have to be built here. Now, my dear students, let's discuss the topic together, shall we? Would you build new homes in the wetland, which is the habitat for the rare type of birds? Why and why not? Here we have 2 points of view. We should discuss them together. First, if your answer is yes, it helps the town to expand and modernize. It is good for the economy. Many people get jobs. It solves the problem of limited lands. It solves the problem of overpopulation in big cities. It solves the problem of housing. If you say no, there is another point of view. No, because many rare types of birds lose their natural habitats. It increases competition for local business. Now, my dear students, let's move to exercise number 2, preparing for the role play. Your class has the job of deciding where the new homes should be built. But first, you are going to discuss the problem in groups of 3. Each student should play one of the roles from A to C described below. Read your role card and decide where you think the new homes should be built. Make notes about your choice of area. Role A, environmentalist. You believe in preserving animals' habitats. You believe that too much new building will damage the countryside. Your brother's family want to move to the area. Role B, university student. You are soon going to graduate from the university and will need a home in this area. Your family live in the town and you would like to live near them. You do not think birds are very important. Role C, town resident. Your family have lived in the town all their lives. You think your town already has enough inhabitants. Animal conservation is not a priority for you. Have some important points we should be aware when we write argumentative writing. Useful language. Giving reasons for a choice. There are 2 reasons why I think we should build the houses here. Firstly, secondly. Here, my students, we should view our opinion. The main reason I would choose this area is because, and say the reason. The purpose of this report is to comment on the projected housing project. New houses near the town well. Equally, we are concerned this group strongly supports. We use these ideas when we write about an argumentative writing. If we are 2 points of view, we should show the 2 points of view. Then in the conclusion, we should say our opinion, if we are going for this opinion or we are against. This exercise 3, we're still in role play. Working groups of 3 ABC. First, each character should say where he or she thinks the new homes should be built. Give as many reasons as you can. When everyone has expressed their opinions, have a general discussion. Try to persuade the others in your group that you are right. Organize a vote. What is your group's conclusion? Compare your vote to the vote of other groups in the class. We have a question we should ask. What do out-of-town houses require? They require new shops. They require direct investment. They require new facilities. So if you wanted to build a new city, you should save everything that makes the life easy. Now we will see this 2 points of view, the arguments for and against land reclamations. What? Taking land from the sea and marshes for farming, housing, and building modern buildings. Examples: the Palm Islands in the United Arab Emirates, Souq Sharq in Kuwait. If you are for, why you are for? Show your point of view to create idyllic setting. For continuing human development, to make more farmlands, to alleviate hunger, to solve the problem of housing, to solve the problem of limited lands. If you are against, you should show your point of view. Disturbing local environment, damaging coral reefs and underwater habitats. Here we are going to know about argumentative essay. An argumentative essay is a type of essay that presents arguments about both sides of an issue. It could be that both sides are presented equally balanced, or it could be that one side is presented more forcefully than the other. It all depends on the writer and what side he supports the most. Now let's move to the writing process. Number 1, rewriting. Think and decide. Make sure you understand the topic that you are going to write about. Number 2, research. Find information and generate ideas. Drafting. Write first your outline and then your first draft. Number 4, revising. Make it better. Number 5, editing and proofreading. That means make sure the meaning and ideas are conveyed in the best possible way. Before we write or before writing, please read the following instructions to know how to write an accurate outline. The outline should start with the introduction. Introduction or thesis statement It is usually a single sentence that is roadmap for the reader. It tells what to expect from the topic. Then we should move to paragraph number 1. Paragraph number 1 should have topic sentence and supporting idea 1, supporting idea 2, supporting idea 3. Write the topic sentences and at least 3 ideas that supported the topic sentence. Then paragraph 2. Also we should start with the topic sentence, supporting idea 1, supporting idea 2, supporting idea 3. After that we have a conclusion. In conclusion, we should summarize all main points, restate your thesis, add a call to action, what you want readers to do after reading your essay. Note, write only one sentence to highlight your opinion and your recommendations. My dear students, it's your turn. Exercise number 3, page 51. Write your report in about 200 words using your plan and the business report. Check spelling, grammar, and punctuation carefully. Now, write your outline. You should start with introduction, sentence, body, paragraph 1, idea 2, and idea 3. Then move to paragraph 2, idea 1, idea 2, idea 3 after you write a topic sentence at first. Then this is a homework. You should write it and check your writing.